In the drone space in India, there is a clear focus on few areas, and these focus areas are essentially agriculture, defense and homeland security, surveying, mapping, and a very emerging area which is logistics. And particularly when we talk about these use cases are getting popularized, and the adoption is increasing because with drones, people have really found that it either reduces human effort, increases efficiency, or increases decision making and transparency at least 10 times, if not more. To give you a reference, when you look at a small drone, it may be 1/10 the size of a two-wheeler electric vehicle, but may be costing 10 times the vehicle itself. So it's actually the design, the intellectual property, and the ability of the machine to bring in data from various sources, and then the IP behind all of this to make this happen is where essentially the proof of the pudding is, and where startups are focusing now. And to more and more companies, I keep advising that even though the industry looks like a hardware industry, but the meat in the entire ecosystem is in the design, which is the IP creation, and the software and the data value addition. About 65 to 70% of the customer is government or government-led, which is why for creating a very large adoption, what we need to bring in is the central ministries and various state departments and PSUs to essentially adopt this technology and then scale it further. The way the contractor is only paid money after he submits a drone survey. And now the drone survey data, you cannot fudge. It's a centimeter level accurate 3D geospatial data, which is very difficult to create some obnoxious features on that. And plus it is geotagged. So it is spatially located on the map of the country. So these are some of the examples where drone technology is made mandatory. Right from surveying, mapping in the civil use case to the defense use case, AI is the most important part of the next generation drones and the use cases that are coming in right now. So drone technology, it's quite clear, it is not a hardware industry. We are not really focused on just building the tangible drone, because that is a manufacturing play, that's a commodity. It's the design, it's the AI and the algorithms that you put in, and the workflow that you build to give significant advantage to the user that is going to help. Drones is the first space where we are really showcasing the world of how deep tech, especially in hardware, can come out in very large numbers and large volume. What I believe is that the early adoption of this technology in large numbers in the country and a push for export from our country, we've had some fantastic use cases. All of this showcasing to the world will really showcase the world that India is not just a software leader, but is increasingly also becoming a hardware and a deep tech sort of leader.